I'm Steve, and I have my '66 Nova that we built. It's the car that I always wanted since high school. They only made this particular body style in '66 and '67. Since it's basically around the same time that I graduated from high school, I saw it and I just fell in love with it. It's like some people fall in love with a Ford Mustang. I fell in love with the '66 Nova. I wanted to keep this particular car as stock as possible looking, but put in some of the newer amenities such as air conditioning, power windows, some of the things that most of the cars didn't have. Well, a lot of people don't understand what it takes to build a street rod. That's 2.5 years, 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. So you figure it out. I would say the majority of the friends that I have are from the car world. My wife does all the research and finds the car shows that she wants to go to. And then she tells me, we're going here and we're going there. So I'm basically mechanic and driver.
Go to another show every weekend. Half the time he doesn't even know where we're going till I say, oh, we're going here or there. So off to another show.
Just last year, in 2017, we won Best of Show for the LAPD Cops for Tots program. To win these awards means a lot, because it's not so much that, it's just the people that really appreciate what you've done. And it makes me feel good inside of the fact is that, you know, Jesse and I got something that we worked very hard for, and we got people to appreciate the fact of all the work that we did. We do drive the car. It doesn't sit. If it breaks down, we fix it and go on. I've always said this: if you build a car and put it on a trailer, what good is it? You know, if you got it, drive it.